Hi everyone, I am Dr. Sarana Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, SNS institutions. So today we are going to discuss a very important topic, business model patterns. So last session we discussed about what do you mean by BMC, so what are the types of BMC, what are the components of BMC, and also what are the advantages, what are the merits and demerits of BMC, everything we discussed. Now we are going to discuss business model pattern. So model we already discussed in the last session, it's a prototype. So we are having the pattern in that business model. So business model patterns are recurring, reusable configurations of business model, uh, but blocks that can serve as an inspiration or framework for creating new or improving existing business models. They help business understand and design better for resilience strategy. So business model pattern, it will be easy to know about that particular business. For example, if you take it as a 7 patterns of digital business models, we will see one by one. Subscription, on demand, peer-to-peer, ecosystem, so hidden revenue through data, e-commerce platform, so premium. So these are all the 7 patterns of the digital business models. For example, if we take as on-demand like Spotify, Uber, Lime, Netflix, etc. Then peer-to-peer like that Airbnb. It's connecting between that sellers and buyers. So Etsy, Airbnb, eBay, and ecosystem like Logic, Tesla. So these are the example. And also the hidden revenue through data is nothing but Facebook, Google. So these are the example. Then e-commerce, we everyone know about that Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, like that. Then freemium, so Netflix, Dropbox, Slack, Evernote, so everything. Then subscription is nothing but Shopify, Spotify, Netflix, Amazon. These are the examples, right? So 7 patterns of digital business models, right? So tips to create BMC. So what are the tips we are giving to that create a BMC? Because we already discussed the BMC is a one-page document. It will be easy to know what is the business. So easy to know about that. The 9 building blocks it's covered under that BMC business model canvas, like key partners, key resources, customer segmentation, value proposition, cost structure, revenue streams. So these are the components of that BMC. So tips to create BMC in the sense to create a compelling business model canvas start with clear understanding about that business and also your target audience, who are all your target customers, define your unique value proposition. It's nothing but USP, unique selling point, and then roadmap for your business and activities, channels, customer relation, revenue streams, and cost structure. So very important the tips to create a BMC. So be concise and clear. Concise is nothing but short and sweet. So it's a one-page document, but everyone know about that what business you are doing, what are the key resources, what about your who are your target customers, the customer relationship, channels, the partners, and everything. All the information it will be clubbed together in the BMC. So everyone you are going, if you're going to start a business, definitely you need a BMC. It will be helpful to know that what business you are doing, what about your profit, so everything you know about that. So be concise and clear. Use precise language and avoid jargons. So easy to understand about that. Precise language in the means short and sweet. You can give that useful information. Then use visual imagery because compared to that test, the visual imagery, it will be easy to know everyone regarding the concept. So incorporate images to make the BMC more engaging and easier to understand. Then focus on the core. Don't overload the canvas with unnecessary information. So only necessary information can be uploaded. So don't overload the canvas with unnecessary information because it's a one-page document. So whatever the information very important, uh, you can insert in that BMC. Very important information only. Don't overload the unnecessary information. Then be adaptable. because in the nine building blocks, it will be adaptable to that particular boxes. So the BMC is a living document. So be prepared to iterate. Iterate is nothing but a continuous process and adapt it as needed. So adaptability is very important for the business model canvas. Then use templates and software. There are many online tools available and templates available to help you to create a BMC. So the nine building blocks, it will be the same, but the building blocks with the help of that software and template, you can create in a presentation in a very effective way. So you are using the templates and softwares. So these are the very important tips to create a BMC. Uh, so now everyone clear about that business model canvas. So last session we discussed business model canvas and merits and demerits. So what are the components of business model? So everything we discussed. So everything it will be clear. So the final is how to create BMC also we discussed now. That is that be concise and clear. Use visual imagery. Focus on the core. Be adaptable. Use templates and softwares. So these are the very important for every business people. I mean every businessman to create a businessman or as well as a woman entrepreneur, you are going to create a BMC with the help of that BMC only to know your business, whether you will get that profit or loss, everything you know in that one page document. So thank you all for watching. Thank you all. So we are going to discuss another important topic in the next session. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all.